Hello, my Linux friends. I am back with a vengeance in the skin, in the flesh. So, how are you? I'm good. So, nice chit chat. So, welcome. Come one, come all. This is the Linux Ninja. My mission to share what I learn and what I'm doing. And so, I just got this super interesting phone call from HR. And so, this user does not want to be, oh, of course, this didn't happen. This user did not want to be have the username Bruce, and they wanted to be called Doc Brown. And I said, sure, I can make that happen. And he called the right guy for the job. And so I thought, why not share this with the YouTubes? It's going to be short, it's sweet, you might learn something, win-win, and click and subscribe if you like my persona. So let's just do sudo user add. See, open source is supposed to be fun. Free open source. It's free. Nice. We all love stuff that's free. And so sudo user m, so create a home directory. And if I go fast, that's because I like it fast. I'm fast and furious. You can slow me down, ask questions in the comments. Like if you want like further explanation, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. We're a community. So if you subscribe, I'm going to say, hey, how are you doing? So user add -m, create the home directory, and let's call him Bruce. I should maybe talk less, see what I'm writing. So user add, create a user. And so let's do ID Bruce, and here he is. And so we want to keep the user ID. I don't know why I'm pointing, as you know where I'm pointing towards. And we need to keep all this the same because, yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this, but HR said he needs to keep his user ID, group ID, and everything in his home directory needs to be safe and sound. And that's why they called the right person. And now we have that user. And so let's do sudo and let's do sudo and become Bruce. We are now Bruce. And let's do make a dir and my stuff and his super secret stuff. Let's do that and touch just so there's something there and list. And so you can see now he has some stuff. And let's log out. And now we need to fix this. So we do sudo usermod, and let's do --help because it always helps to check if you can't remember. So -l. So first it's the new login and then the old login name, sudo usermod -l, and he wants to be called Doc Brown. He's traveling to the future. And so now we put in the old username. Now let's do ID. If you would do ID Bruce, you would do no such user. You would do no such user. You would get. And so Doc Brown, and you might think mission accomplished, he can log in. No, that's not going to be sweet sauce because the group ID and the secondary group is still Bruce. So he's still Bruce Almighty. And we need to fix that. So let's do sudo usermod, no, not usermod, group mod. If you thought you made a mistake, you were correct. Because usermod is for the user and group is for the group. Who would have thought? An operating system where things make sense? Wink, wink. Windows. And you can always do that. And its name. So -n. See, we're learning together. So good. Mission accomplished. First, it's the new name, Doc Brown, and we want to switch it out for Bruce. So let's do ID, Doc Brown. Let's see what happened behind the scene. And now everything is Doc Brown. So we're like 75% there. LS home, and you can see it's still Bruce. And so what do we do now? Well, now we use the trusty user mod again. And help. See, it's always good to do the help. -d. This is the new home directory for the user account. And we have to mix in some secret sauce because we want to move the stuff from the old home to the new home. Make it homey. And that will be -m. Move contents of the home directory to the new location. Use only with -d. Otherwise, your computer will explode. So sudo usermod hyphen D and home country road. And now it's the new Doc Brown and hyphen M. And now you just need the username. And you might be thinking, Linux Ninja. It's weird to call myself Linux Ninja. Arminator. How does it know to pull the stuff from Bruce and put it to Doc Brown? Great question. You're thinking like, I'm like Chat GPT. It's always like, great question. That's amazing. I can see that you're thinking deeper. It's so motivating. I love asking Chat GPT questions. And one day I'm going to do like, I'm going to save it. I'm not going to spoil it. You have to check it out later. I'm coming back with that one. It's going to be funny. I think so. Anyways, what were we doing? I'm going to show you where it's pulling that stuff from. Cat EXT password. And so here you can see Doc Brown. Is it okay? Yeah, it's on the screen. And so home Bruce. It still knows that now. Well, it knows that Doc Brown has this home. So that's where it's pulling it from. So let's combine this secret sauce of user mod, and let's do directory. It was first directory, and the new Doc Brown. It's kind of hard to type and talk and think, and translating from Icelandic to English, my brain's like, and then the home, and you just need the username. Always like it when you do something in Linux and there's no error. ls home. And so let's do that. And let's see if you can see Doc Brown owns that. He's the owner and the group. Let's just, let's do cd. And let's just bring my stuff in there. And let's do cd home Doc Brown. And here you can see my stuff, Doc Brown, everything is as it should be. As it should be. See, now you learned like 3 new things. And what's been a minute? Feels like a minute because we're having so much fun. Time flies when you're having flies and fun. So that's it. So click like and subscribe, of course, because tomorrow I'm gonna be putting out a lot of new stuff. I'm back. And for the people that have been following me for a while, I'm going to send out like over the weekend a YouTube. Like some people are asking how I'm doing, how I'm feeling. Because if you don't know, I had surgery. I had so much stuff going on. So anyways, I've been missing you. Talk to you guys later and see you tomorrow. Peace out.